Hello, good morning students. Today's topic is here gametogenesis. Okay, so what is gametogenesis? Okay, you know about the gametes. Okay, gametes, you know, gametes just like a sperm or ovum, sperm and ovum, sperm and ovums. These are the gametes. This is the male gamete. Sperm is the male gamete. First is the female gamete. Okay, it is the female gamete. So gametogenesis say that formation of male and female gametes. Formation of male and female gamete, okay, is called the gametogenesis. So look at this please. The formation of मेल ब्रैकेट में स्पर्म, ओके, एंड फीमेल ब्रैकेट में ओवम, मेल एंड फीमेल गैमीट. द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल गैमीट इज कॉल्ड गैमेटोजेनेसिस. इज कॉल्ड गैमेटोजेनेसिस. ओके, understand? These gametes are always haploid. Okay, these are haploid in number. Number of chromosome in that cell contains number of chromosome one cell. Okay, so one thing is here, you listen, ova also mean. So ova is a plural word. Ova is a plural word or ovum is the singular word. Okay, ova is a plural word or ovum is the singular word. Okay, clear here? Next things, formation of sperm. Formation of sperm is called the spermatogenesis. Okay, formation of sperm is called the spermatogenesis, or formation of ovum is called the oogenesis. Clear about this thing? Formation of sperm is called the spermatogenesis, or formation of ovum is called the oogenesis. Okay, clear here about the. So first we discuss about the spermatogenesis. Okay, so spermatogenesis complete in two steps. Spermatogenesis complete in the two steps. First is called the formation of spermatic. Okay, so look at this place. Spermatogenesis. Okay, spermatogenesis complete in two steps. First is called formation of spermatic. Okay, formation of spermatic. Second is formation of spermatozoa. Formation of spermatozoa. This process is called the metamorphogenesis. Or it is called spermiogenesis. Okay, so it is called it is also called the spermiogenesis. Okay, so it is an important word. This is spermatogenesis, or this place is spermiogenesis. Okay, so formation of sperm is called the spermatogenesis, or formation of spermatozoa. Formation of spermatozoa from the spermatids means formation of spermatid to sperm or spermatozoa or spermatozoa. Okay, zoa. So this is called the spermiogenesis. Clear here? Understand about this thing? Hello students, now we discuss the formation of spermatids. Okay, formation of spermatid. Okay, so first step of the spermatogenesis is called the formation of spermatids. Okay, so formation of spermatids complete in a 3 steps. First is the multiplicative phase. This is called the multiplicative phase. Okay, second is growth phase, and third is maturation phase. Okay, so formation of spermatids we learn with the help of Venn diagram. Okay, so look at this phase. This is a germinal cell. Germinal cell is a diploid cell. Now these germinal cells by mitosis division, 1 or 2 mitosis division, form the spermatogonia. By the mitosis division form the spermatogonia. These are the spermatogonia. Okay, now these cells are called the spermatogonia. These spermatogonia means germinal cells divide into many cells by the mitosis division. These cells are called the spermatogonia of which division? Mitosis division. Okay, in many spermatogonia, these spermatogonia are increase in size with the help of an hormone which is called the FSH hormone. Means FSH hormone which is secreted during the puberty age, or that time this hormone released from the anterior part of the pituitary gland, and this hormone increase the size of the spermatogonia. Now this increased size is called the primary spermatocytes. Okay, now these spermatocytes again divide into 2 daughter cells in half number of chromosomes by the meiosis division. Now this cell is divided to 2 daughter cells with the help of and division. This division is called the meiosis first, or meiosis. You know that in meiosis division number of chromosomes become half to their parent body. Therefore this case number of chromosomes half to their parent body. Okay, now this haploid structure or haploid cell is called the secondary spermatocyte. Okay, this secondary spermatocytes again divide by the meiosis second division and form 4 haploid cells. Now these haploid cells are called the spermatid. Okay, or by this division is called the meiosis second. Okay, so we see that formation of spermatid complete in a 3 phases. First is the multiplicative phase. So multiplicative phase is this phase. This phase is called the multiplicative phase up to the multiplicative phase. Okay, or this phase is called the growth phase. This phase is called the where FSH is secreted and increase in size. This is called the growth phase. And last, where is the meiosis occurred? This is called the maturation phase. Okay, and second step of the formation of spermatogenesis is called the metamorphogenesis. metamorphogenesis. Okay, or this metamorphogenesis means formation of spermatozoa, or we can see this place spermatozoa from spermatids. Okay, so this place we draw here spermatozoa or sperm. Okay, these are the spermatozoa or sperm. These are the we can say spermatozoa or sperm. So okay, by the cell differentiation. So formation of sperm, these are the sperm. Formation of sperm from the spermatid. Formation of sperm from the spermatid is called the spermiogenesis. Okay, this is called the spermiogenesis. Look at this please, spermiogenesis. Okay, so what is spermiogenesis? Formation of sperm from the spermatid. Formation of sperm from the spermatid by the cell differentiation is called the spermiogenesis. Or spermatogenesis means formation of sperm from the germinal cells or spermatogonia is called the spermiogenesis. Okay, clear? Now we discuss the structure of the sperm. Okay, structure of sperm. Structure of sperm. Okay, so structure of sperm, each sperm consists of 4 parts. Okay, each sperm consists 4 parts: head, neck and tail. Every sperm consists 4 parts. This is the structure of the sperm. So this structure consists 4 parts. So first look at this piece. This structure. This is called the head of the sperm. This is called the middle piece, or this part is called the neck, or this is called the tail. Okay, so head is the anterior part of the sperm. Head is the anterior part of the sperm, or tail is the posterior part of the sperm. Head consists an inverted U-shaped structure. Head consists an inverted U-shaped structure. This inverted U-shaped structure is called the acrosome. This inverted U-shaped structure is called acrosome. Okay, this acrosome consists an enzyme. This enzyme is called the hyaluronidase. Nidase enzyme. Okay, this acrosome consists an enzyme which is called the hyaluronidase enzyme, which dissolve the ovum membrane, which is called the zona pellucida during the fertilization. Okay, so hyaluronidase enzyme dissolve the zona pellucida membrane of the ovum during the fertilization. And another structure is located in the big size of nucleus. Big size of nucleus consists in the sperm. This is the nucleus. Okay, and just below the head of the sperm consists neck. Neck consists 2 structure. This is called the centriole. There are two centrioles located in the structure of the centriole in the neck of the sperm. Just neck of the sperm consists, just back part of the neck is called the middle piece. Middle piece contain mitochondria. This is the mitochondria. A mitochondria provide energy for the movement. This is called the mitochondria. Mitochondria, which provide nutrition, which provide energy for the movement. Or last is the tail, which help in locomotion of the sperm. Okay, so this is the sperm of the structure of the sperm of the human beings. Okay, thank you.